Hello there and welcome to the HR European Market Neutral monthly video update for November 2021. I'm Paul Marriage at Tellworth Investments and we manage the fund. This has been a really good month for the strategy overall in actually very difficult market conditions, as we're all aware. The return of COVID variants and surge of COVID through Europe particularly has been quite a shock for markets, and particularly towards the end of the month people were running scared from risky assets, and generally we saw that some of that churn in markets that we'd seen during peak COVID periods in 2020, early in 2021. So that background not encouraging clearly, and we'd clearly like to see the COVID situation improve and more clarity on the latest variants. But within that context, the fund did very well, and we're very pleased with the performance. It's been pretty broad, led by the UK, and continuing that trend that since the strategy took a greater UK weighting in May, that has largely worked most of the time. And again, this month we had a really good combination of performance in the UK with some strong long positions like Marks and Spencer, and a range of really pretty good short positions where the standout wins were Frontier Developments, where we shorted on game release that performed poorly. Naked Wines, where again we shorted into a statement that was poor. We feel the hype there is quite high. And also AO Group, the electrical retailer, which missed numbers. So we had three good shorts, slightly in those exciting growthy things that are rolling over a bit in rich valuations. Clearly our travel piece was pretty good. We had strong shorts in WH Smith, Carnival, On the Beach Group. Our longs in travel, like Jet2, were painful, but overall we probably got the travel balance about right. So again, the short book delivering there. And we had one or two good standout growthy longs that survived through the COVID period quite nicely, like Richemont, the luxury watch business or luxury business, and EQT, the Swedish private equity business, which have been very strong and then been weak, and we bought into it. So a really good balanced performance, stock picking across the board, UK and Europe, team working well together to deliver a really solid month for the fund and continuing good momentum overall. Clearly, as we come into December, we want to continue that to deliver a good calendar year for the strategy. And we feel actually these market conditions are reasonably helpful to the strategy, keeping it balanced, but with some good alpha long and short stocking. Really encouraged particularly by some of the shorts we've had coming through in the UK, focusing a little bit more on some of those mid-cap shorts in the UK. It's really worked for us, and we've been working hard this year to land more of these, so it's good to see them coming through into the strategy. Clearly we'll learn more about COVID in December, and we'll learn whether the latest variant is something to worry about or whether it's something that's perhaps not as scary as we initially thought. Let's hope it's the latter. And as we come into Christmas, no doubt markets will have their usual wobbles and possibly even the customary market year-end surge if conditions feel a bit better. We actually go into 2021 feeling pretty confident about life. We think there's plenty of earnings growth available, particularly in the UK, which we see as a market that's yet to really play out its full potential. So overall, an exciting set of investment opportunities for us. Been quite a difficult year overall, but we're maintaining positive momentum. And we thank you again for your support. We also hope you have a superb Christmas season, a healthy one, and we look forward to speaking to you again at the end of the month as we look into 2022. Thank you very much. Goodbye.